So basically, I think that oh god damn hiccups. There's a moon. If you're y'all wondering. I think I've located the BCEC. It's the place where PAX is happening. God damn this car. This is gonna be some thing on the Discovery Channel. This is me wandering home from the Pokemon. God damn it, pub crawl. Car. Hey, surprising! I caught one of them. They're about 400. From maybe 40. No, 12. There might be 12 cars in the period in which I'm doing this. 17. 12 seems a bit low. There's the BCAC. It's the place where things happen. That's a lie. There's nothing that happens. Oh, crosswalk. There's nothing that happens there. There's a bunch of motherfuckers talking about shit that all ends up on the... Oh, god damn you, hiccups. Blogs. Post, next day. Car. There is the Weston. It's super... Oh, good god, I hope I watch this in the morning. It will be terrible. God damn it. If I could just slow down. I hope there's someone watching me and this would be fucking amazing. Walking. Did I even pay those fuckers for cat? I think I gave him $5. Let's say $5. Shazing! 5. So much money. God damn you, hiccups. To hell and back. There's some bush. God, did anyone else notice that when flying into Boston, the Boston brown as shit? There's no green in this shit. Like, hey, brown's amazing. All these goddamn islands and these... You gotta ignore those hiccups. All these goddamn... Fucking hate you, Moon. Fuck you, son. If someone kills me at this intersection, that'll be a fucking Dumont. I got nothing. Denouement. God, you God. I keep saying God. It doesn't imply that I actually accept the existence of God. It means that it's a sort of societal... It's a thing where I... Fuck you all. I don't give a shit. Doesn't matter. Where's this fucking car? I hope I don't die crossing this car. Cars? No cars. Crossing. There's some drivers there. Run, motherfucker! Car slows down. Car pass. Car don't give a shit. Cars. And PAX Center. Good God, that's a big fucking roof. There's no reason for that. It's completely unnecessary. What are you, impressing the whores? Yeah, just the whores for fun. It's stupid. There's a stupid fucking fit, or whatever the fuck that is. There's no trucks. I want my key card. Someone's gonna think about this and be like, hey. They're not gonna, because I thought about it. They're gonna be like, hey, you should think about his key card. They'll be like, no, he thought it was a key card, so he shouldn't think about his key card. Oh, wait. Who's parking? God damn, this is a short ass. They really should add, like, I'm saying 5. Maybe. Hey, 5, 10 stories before it's so fucking impressive. There's people there's gonna be people see me at this point. And be like, taxi, what's wrong with that drunk-ass motherfucker? How is he getting here? And let's go to O'Connor's. It'll be great. Product placement. No one can see that. It's gonna be blurry as fuck. It's gonna be great. I'm kind of impressed I made this far. To be honest, I kind of should have been hit by a car. Hiccups. Horn. Things. And I'm gonna probably continue walking up this pass, even though I cut across. Because there's a car. No, there isn't a car. I totally heard it wrong. Unexpected. These fuckers. not laughing at me yet. They will be shortly. I'm going to turn this off, even though it's a waste of time.